Today I'm going to show you the winter moves that make all the difference for next year's tomato harvest. If you want bigger, juicier tomatoes and way fewer headaches, trust me, what you do now matters more than any spring rush. But before we jump in, hit like and subscribe. It's the easiest way to keep these straightforward gardening tips coming your way. Alright, first up, clean up with purpose. Rip out every last tomato vine, grab those stakes and cages, and clear every bit of old plant debris. Diseases like blight and leaf spot love hiding in last year's mess, surviving even harsh winters. Bag it all and get it off your property. Don't risk composting it. This one step slashes disease risk for next season. Now let's talk soil. Tomatoes are hungry plants, so winter is prime time to feed the ground. Spread 3 to 4 inches of compost, aged manure, or leaf mold over your beds, and let nature do the rest. If your soil's compacted, loosen it gently with a fork first. Over winter, rain and soil life will mix those nutrients deep, laying the groundwork for powerhouse roots in spring. Next, fix what frustrated you last summer. Got blossom end rot? Sprinkle in crushed eggshells or a calcium source now. Poor drainage? Elevate that bed or work in some chunky organic matter. Pests like hornworms? Turn the soil's top layer to expose any overwintering pupae to the cold. Every small fix now means less drama later. Finally, don't leave your beds naked. Mulch with straw, leaves, or lay down a simple ground cover. This stops nutrients from washing away, protects your soil life, and warms things up for a head start in spring. Remember, winter isn't downtime, it's your secret weapon. If you found these tips useful, hit like and subscribe, and join me for more no-nonsense gardening guides.